common raven is a massive, cunning, all-black corvid with a huge bill and a shaggy neck. It can make as many as 33 different types of sounds, including some calls that can be heard over a mile away. When seen in flight, they are usually alone or in pairs, and unlike crow species, can be identified by a wedge shape to their tail. My name is Rob, and this is Songbirding. I'm in an urban forest in southern Ontario in early October, and it's just past dusk. The sun has set, and the dark of the night is setting in. The daytime songbirds are beginning to go quiet, but there are birds of the night that lurk in these woods. For tonight, songbirding turns to owling. We're going to look for the common but elusive eastern screech owl. It's just past dusk. Still a little bit of light out here. I'm go looking for owls in a spot where I know historically I've found both screech owl, the eastern screech owl, and the great horned owl. And you're whistling for them. Here's a Carolina wren up here. Let's go see it. This doesn't work just anywhere. In a fairly densely wooded area now. If you've got a wood lot, you probably have owls. You just never see them. Owls are very good at hiding. And sometimes people have secret owl spots that they just don't share with others. So you hear cardinals around, northern cardinals. That kind of puttering sound is our Carolina wren. What is this white bird? Oh, there's a squirrel here too. Also not happy. I think there is something really far away. Well, it's really hard to tell. So I'm just hearing a siren really far away. Well, maybe not even that far away, just quiet. Screech owls can be quiet sometimes. They're not always full volume. Alright, I don't know. I'm going to start heading back, taking a different route. Going through some more forest. Maybe a screech owl in a different spot. Oh, what's that? There we go, we got it. Where are you? They're so good at throwing their voices. Okay. Here he comes, right above me now. Too dark for me to get a photo, but I just barely saw it. They're pretty small birds. I don't even see it right now. I know it landed up there. I just want him to sing. Or her. I don't know where this bird has gone. It's very high up. It flew in. Super quiet. Switched branches really quietly, but I still can't see which one it landed on. There we go. I think it went across over me. I hear it again. Where are you? Looking the wrong way. Here it comes. This is an eastern screech owl. I'm probably not going to see it. We can really hear it. And that may sound distant, but it's actually just being quiet. It's throwing its voice really well. This is what I mean by it being a bird that can really sing quietly if it needs to. Pretty sure this bird is straight above me. Just sitting in the leaves, somewhere where I can't see it. So this is called the whinny call, what it does. Not like a horse. We found the eastern screech owl and a couple other birds. If you're considering using this whistling technique, please look up the Sibley article called The Proper Use of Playback in Birding. This is also linked in the episode's show notes. While whistling is not quite the same as playback, it has a similar effect, and depending on the context, there may be ethical considerations to be made. For more about the series, please visit songbirding.com or follow @songbirdingpod on Twitter or Instagram. The Spooky Songbirding Halloween Special was recorded, engineered, narrated, and created by me, Rob Porter, with creepy Creative Commons music from Scott Buckley.